Hello everyone, welcome to Mac with me, Meg. It's fall. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing. Fall is my favorite season. I am a Libra queen, and it's just the most wonderful time of year, weather-wise, decor-wise. It's cozy, everything smells like cinnamon and apples. Today I'm going to show you a fall haul and give a nice little shout out to some of my very favorite autumn videos so that you can get prepared for the best season of all. I'm not paid by anyone to do this, of course. I just happened to shop at Target because that's what I could afford. So today I'm going to show you a few new fall items that I got just for the season. First off, this very lovely and oh so fall leaf wreath. I had a really teeny tiny fall wreath because I had a smaller townhouse, but this larger house is asking for like a big statement saying, "It's autumn, y'all," and I think this is it. A design trend that you're gonna see time and time again in the next year and coming years are earth tones and neutral tones that we are bringing into the home. I love these woven, all natural pumpkins. They have them in a few different sizes with the cutest little hand-woven handles. And I just think these would be really cute in the middle of a table. Thanksgiving is coming up and I am gonna be hosting my whole family for Thanksgiving. And so I was thinking, what fall decor could I get that would also be like a really nice table centerpiece or decoration for the buffet, and I thought that these would go really nicely on a Thanksgiving table. Another item that I picked up at Target, thinking about both fall and Thanksgiving, and mostly Tariq the corn kid, I saw these really cute little corn cobs in all white, all natural, hand woven, again, bringing that earth tone into our decor for fall. Open this up. We can look at these together. Look how cute. Look at these really cute little corn cobs. I think together we can create a nice organic, earth tone looking tablescape that could last all autumn long and go into Thanksgiving. Sometimes, especially at the end of fall, you can find these on big sale at Michael's or Target or Home Goods. And they're super fun just as they are, of course, for fall decor, but you can also do DIYs to your pumpkins. I've shown you a video where you can so simply cut out your favorite floral design and decoupage it onto a white pumpkin. I've also shown you how you can do a really simple modern brush stroke pattern that looks minimalist and quite lovely, and I will be sure to link to the episode and the videos so you can make them yourself too. My very favorite might be this one, which is a decoupage succulent pumpkin. I mean, that's just classic and lovely and modern, and that might be my very favorite pumpkin of all. There's one more thing that I ordered that of course has not arrived in time yet, and I got these birch logs. And they just feel very fall, and they're gonna look really nice and cozy inside our fireplace. And I just love the way a birch log looks. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content every Friday, and fill up the comment section letting me know what your favorite part of fall is. I'll see you later. Bye. Yes, this is a fall video, but it is still hot as Hades, so I am schwitzing, and I may or may not be wearing pants underneath here. You don't need to know.